Time to hit the road tomorrow morning. One more delivery and get our products taken into the house there for this guest bathroom. This stuff is ready to go. There's that beautiful unit. And we got the Kohler sink there. Gonna be cool, cool, cool. We got the shelves there for the vanity cabinets, all shrink wrapped up. And we will be taking this vanity in too. Gonna be cool. The homeowner is really, really excited. Love the end panels. Boy, if you're looking this type of cabinetry for your home, it's the high end, it's the luxury, it's the high end, it's the luxury, it's beautiful stuff. Can't beat it, can't beat it. And we're all wrapped up there too. We got the shelves there for the medicine cabinet. I have to rent a U-Haul rental truck tomorrow because I pegged a deer on the way home from the project an hour and a half south of here a couple days ago. Not happy. Brand new truck, not happy. Wasn't pretty. So tomorrow is install day right there for the bathroom. Then the Cambria guys are coming in to laser, that's hard to say for some reason, to measure for the countertop. So in order to get the full warranty on the Cambria products, they require coming in to measure it and install it and mount the undermount sink. That's how the warranty works with Cambria. So that's what the homeowner wants, and that's what I want. So all in all, fun project, and get this one out of the shop, and then we're jumping on the dental clinic. So thanks for watching. It's greatly appreciated.